Dear students and dear viewers, warm regards of the day. Welcome to this new online program, that is EEP. EEP stands for English Enhancement Program. This program is specially designed to meet your goals. We can enhance your study skills, word power, vocabulary and all the language skills. Dear students, this is a special platform for you. We're going to start this online program. I want to tell you something. We all know that you attempt different online entrances, online tests, IITs, JEE and different Olympiad exams. In that exams, you are expected and you expected a good rank, that is below 500 or below 1000 at least. But after the result, you may puzzle that you got some other unexpected rank in lakhs. This is not because of your talent, this is not because of your hard work, but somewhere you are lagging. Especially in English, you are lagging somewhere due to long passages, long sentences. Because of analysis of that sentence, you are lagging. This is a very special platform to give you good knowledge about English. You are lagging in different aspects. Our management has set up this new program to enlighten your language skills. This EEP book includes different passages like long passage, short passage, fill in the blanks and mind power. There are different types of passages covered in this EEP book so that you can understand and you can get good knowledge or vocabulary and different aspects. Okay, now let us move to the passages. I want to remind you that I hope all you have bought books. The persons who did not buy the books, please buy books so that it is very helpful to you while I'm reading the passage. You can go through it and you can understand, you can underline the important notes and you can take the meaning of those and you can practice at home. It is very helpful to you. Even that also enhances your skills. Let us move to the first passage. Dear students, whenever you go through a passage, read it carefully and then start giving answers. Before that, don't read quickly. Go slow. Read very slowly and understand. Doing this, you can understand. Doing this, you can just make your vocabulary and you can understand sentences very easily. Okay, even though there are long sentences at the beginning, you may feel some difficulty, but if you practice regularly, then you can understand very easily. Dear students, first of all, read the passage completely and then take the questions, stress the questions where that answer might be. Taking that question, try to get the answer. Analyze from the passage, okay, whether it is suitable for that or not. After knowing that, after reading the complete passage, go to the questions and come back to the passage, okay. Doing this regularly, you can develop and you can get the good idea on the questions. You can analyze them very easily. Coming to the summary of this, there is, look at that. In this way, they have heavy showers in the metro city. Okay, the people are unable to step out from their houses because of waterlogging. Okay, waterlogging. There you can see the situation was worst there. There the civic agencies are working hard and they are blaming on some others, that is PWD officers, and they complained that the work is not done properly. The drainage system and the roads are not properly laid. So because of that, there is mess in the colonies. And in the second passage, you can see that there is a place that is Mayur Vihar. Okay, Mayur Vihar is the place. A residential neighborhood of the city said that their houses on the ground floor were flooded in less than 1 hour. Okay, so this is the situation there. A similar situation was reported from another parts of the city also. The municipal authorities, all they are improving the drainage system Even citizens also declared that they have informed to the Delhi High Court because they are doing a shoddy job, but there seemed to have no effect. In other areas, citizens complained that roads were already in pathetic condition and the rains had made it worse. Okay, take the third. There you can see if there is a rag picker. He came in contact with that electric connection wire and he died on the spot. Okay, there are such incidents there. There is a car outside the jeweler shop. So there are the pathetic conditions there. And there is also one good thing here, that is the water table of the city has raised. The increased the quantity of water to meet the requirements of the people. Officials reported this topic. So the average of consumption of water there is 500 liters per day, and it is estimated that about 1440 square kilometers of open land in the city has been recharged during that monsoon. Right, now look at the following questions. The first question: civic officials feel that flooding on Delhi's street is because the dash. Okay, dear students, after knowing, already told you, after knowing the meaning or else getting the clarity of that passage, you need to get the answer, the correct answer from that passage. Okay, look at the question carefully and try to get the answer, try to get the correct answer by your analyzing power or through your analytical power. First option is PWD officials have not done their work, and option B is rains were very heavy, and C is city cannot cope up with such calamities. Okay, right. So for this suitable paragraph for this question is first paragraph. You please read that paragraph again and get the answer. Right, see here, first paragraph, fourth line. There another plea means, so if you read it carefully you can understand civic agencies are telling this. Their other plea is that the Public Works Department, okay, that is PWD, Public Works Department in charge of construction of roads and drainage system or the drainage of the city, has not performed its task. It means option A is valid. Okay, PWD officials have not done their work. That is the valid answer for that. And look at B even. Rains were very heavy. Yes, dear students, rains are heavy there, right? That is also valid. And look at the third option. City cannot cope up with such calamities. Okay, here in the passage, in the whole passage, you cannot find city can cope up with that calamities. Okay, A and B can be valid, but exact answer you can take as A because it is directly given there. PWD officials have not done their work, and B is also acceptable. And coming to the second question, flooding of the ground floor houses took place in an hour in dash. For this answer you can take second paragraph. This year when the rains were heavy in Delhi, several residents in Mayur Vihar, okay, several residents in Mayur Vihar, a residential neighborhood of the city, said that their houses on the ground floor were flooded in less than 1 hour. Right, so the flooding of the ground floor houses took place in 1 hour in Mayur Vihar. Okay, look at the options. A is house cars, B is green park, and C is a jeweler's shop. House cars is not at all given there. Green park is given, option is given there, but what happened in green park? There is a rag picker who came in contact with the wires. Okay, and a jeweler's shop, the option is there in that paragraph, but what is the incident there? A car door came in contact with the wire. Here there is no correct answer. Actually the flooding of ground floor in Mayur Vihar, but in options we cannot find that. So there is no answer for that. And third one, the rag picker who was electrocuted dash. Look at the options. He was trying to steal wires. B, accidentally touched the wires. C, leaked the wires. Right? Coming to the third paragraph, look at the first line at the ending. A rag picker in Green Park came in contact with an electric connection in a kiosk. The word is kiosk, okay, and died on the spot. Kiosk means a small booth type, like STD and ISD are there, a small cubicle type structure, that is called kiosk. There the answer is, you can find he was not trying to steal, just he came in contact with that wire. So answer is accidentally touched the wire. Leaked the wires is also wrong. Fourth one, besides complaining to the civic authorities, citizens had also sent a complaint to dash. Okay, for this you can see second paragraph, line is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, sixth line. Sixth line, you can see the Delhi High Court. Coming to the complete sentence, you can know citizens also declared that they had informed the Delhi High Court that the civic agencies in their area had done a shoddy job. So here the answer is, they complained to the High Court. So answer D is Delhi High Court is the right answer. And fifth one, the happy side of the situation is that, right? For this you can see the last paragraph, first line, there is also a sunny side this episode as the rains have raised, okay? Rains have raised the water table of the city. So answer is, you can directly see there, option C is right. And sixth one, the average consumption of water in a household is, okay? For the sixth one, you can see the number there directly. The last paragraph, 1, 2, 3, third line, okay? Average consumption of 500 liters water. Right. Next, let us move to the second passage. With this, first passage is completed. Dear students, please do remember, after taking the question, please analyze, okay? If you do it regularly, you can improve your skill. You can analyze very easily. And second one, look at the following passage. There are some numbered blanks. Fill in the blanks by selecting the most appropriate word for each blank from the given options. It was just as I imagined it. It was the very picture of our old family home for 500 years. My people had lived there. It dashed me solemn to think of it. Barrymore's face was dashed up with enthusiasm. He dashed about him. The light fell dash him, and long shadows dash down the walls. Right? Now look at the blank. Look at the blanks. First blank is, it dash me solemn to think of it. That is the first blank. Look at the options. Tells, help, does, inspires. Okay? Dear students, if there are multiple choice, just go with deleting manner, or else try to select the right word by neglecting one by one. If there is no appropriate word, just leave it. Right? See here, tells, help, does, inspires. Look at that word. It is a third person. It is a third person. So we have to use S form of verb. Help. Here second option, help, is there. You can neglect it because it is first form. Okay. So just delete it. Okay. And tells means it is not at all talking directly. So leave that. And it does me means it happened to him. It's done to him. Okay, that's also wrong. So it inspires him. Okay, inspires. So the picture inspires him. Okay, right. Next, Second, Barrymore's face was dash up. It is passive, so you can use V3 form. So out, lit, lighted, shone. So was dash up. What is the exact answer for that? Lit is right answer. And third, he dash about him. So look at that. He turned about him, wrong. He looked about him, wrong. He moved about him is also wrong. He spoke about him. Yes, it is valid. He can spoke about him. So answer is spoke. And fourth one, the light fell dash him. Okay, towards him, in him, upon him, to him. So the light fell towards him, wrong. The light fell in him, means inside him, wrong. Upon him, okay, so upon is right answer. The light fell to him, wrong. Okay, so answer is 3, upon. And fifth one, the light fell and dash him. Okay, reflected him, so he cannot reflect. Shown him, wrong. Trailed, maybe. Noted. So 3, trailed is the, trailed means forming on the back side. Okay, form behind. That is right answer. Okay, right. Let us move to the third passage, that is conversation. Read the following conversation and answer the following questions. Okay, right. So grandfather is in nursing home. It's during visiting hour. Okay, so this conversation is between grandfather and grandchild. Grandfather is in nursing home. So during visiting hours, the conversation had happened. Right, let us see. Grandchild. Dadaji, I hope you are free of pain from your gunshot bruises. Okay, gunshot. Look at that. So there you can see gunshot, gun. Right. I hope you all know, no need to show it again. Grandfather. Yes, I am feeling much better today. I have been able to have some rest and my body is free of aches and pain. The bruises will heal in their own time. But tell me, how have all of you been at home? I hope you are not worried anymore. Right. Here, grandfather is replying to grandchild. He is feeling very happy that day. And bruises means the marks left after some wound. So the mark after the wound is called bruises or bruise. He is asking how all at home. Grandchild. We are fine. Daddy says that after you get well, you should not be alone at your shop. Somebody should always be with you. Grandfather. Yes, the robbers took advantage of my being alone when they attacked. The man might return to harm me again. So this sentence says that the grandfather was alone at the shop while something happened to him. Someone attacked him with a gun. Maybe robbers, not maybe exactly robbers. They took the advantage because he was alone there. Grandchild. No, he is behind bars now. But tell me, Dadaji, what happened? So grandfather's feeling is that he may come again. Further, grandchild is telling, no, he is behind bars. It means he is in jail. But tell me, Dadaji, what happened? The grandchild asking grandfather. On Friday, I was alone in the shop. A man entered and inquired about a silver chala, that is ring. I showed him some designs, but man started asking me unrelated questions. This made me suspicious, and not wanting to be rude to him, I asked the man to return later. Just when he left, another man entered the shop and started firing at me. I fell on the ground. So Dadaji is explaining, on Friday when he was alone at the shop, a customer came and asked for a ring. When he was showing, the customer asked different questions, unrelated questions. So Dadaji, our grandfather, got doubt, and that's why he suspected him, but he did not make anything rude to him. Okay, he did not make any rude thing to him. Okay, right. I asked the man to return later, but just then another fellow entered and started gunfiring. Grandfather fell to ground. Grandchild, how long did you lie there? Grandfather, I don't know. I had lost all control over myself. I suddenly opened my eyes and I saw an iron rod lying in the corner. I gathered up all my strength and aimed it at my shooter. The man was completely taken aback and just ran off. But I was not out of danger at that time. Okay? What happened? He lied there and he saw one iron rod there. He took it and he tried to attack the robber. He was completely surprised that that man was going to hit him. But I was not out of danger at that time. Grandchild, why? The man had run off. All you had to do was ring up the police. Grandfather, not really. The man in the shop had someone waiting with motorbike just outside the shop and 3 of them made their good escape. It means it's a clear-cut plan. Grandchild, did you call up the family after that? Grandchild, no, I called up the police first. The police arrived within minutes and began questioning me. Then they brought an ambulance and carried me to the hospital. Then they called up your father and everything has been sorted out. Okay, after that, grandpa or Dadaji called police. Then they came. After that, ambulance came. They took him to the hospital and everything has been sorted out after grandfather's son means his son. After your father means grandchild's father and grandfather's son. Hope you understand. Grandchild, strange, though that no one above the shop's premises where the family lives heard gunshots. Grandfather, that is because no one was home. Your grandma was in hospital for a checkup and your father was with her. Your mother was at her job and you have not yet returned from school. So this is the scene that happened there. This is the conversation. Now look at that. Write whether the sentences given below are true or false. True or false. Okay, right. Already told you EEP class is giving you different patterns. Okay, now this is true or false. A. The man was alone in the shop when he was shot. Is it right or wrong? Yes, it's right. For that you can check here. So they took my advantage that I was alone. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6th. 6th point or else 6th conversation point there you can take. On Friday, I was alone in the shop. There you can see that he was alone. B. The stranger entered his shop and shot at him unprovoked. Yes. Okay. Second is also there you can see. Another man, last line, same conversation point there you can see. Another man entered the shop and started firing at me. Okay. C. The owner picked up an iron rod and aimed at the attacker. This is also right. There you can see he just gathered all his strength and tried to hit the attacker. And D. The police carried the owner to the hospital. Now look at that D. There you can see last point in this page. The police arrived within minutes and began questioning me. Then they brought an ambulance. Okay. Then they brought an ambulance and carried me to the hospital. They brought the ambulance. The people who are in ambulance to hospital. So police may not be true. Okay. Now the family members had heard the gunshots. Look at that. Strange, though that no one above the shop premises where family lives heard the gunshot. It means no one heard. Okay. But here family members heard. Whether it is true or false? Okay, confused? Let me read it again. See the grandchild's conversation point. Strange, though that no one above shop premises where the family lives heard gunshots. So just close that point, then you can get no one above the shop heard the gunshots. Means no one heard. So option E is false. And F. 3 men ran off leaving the bike behind there. Okay, right. F is false. they made escape. And G, the family decided not to leave him alone in the shop. Yes, that is also true. So there you can see third conversation point by grandchild. There you can see you should not be alone at your shop. He is telling that you should not be alone at your shop. So option G is right. H, all family members were at home and heard the noise. For that last point there you can see because no one was at home. Okay, that is the false statement. Dear students, look at the fourth one. So study the following advertisement, take it as homework, and fifth one, fill in the blanks with appropriate prepositions, and I will give you the key in the next class. Okay, right, thank you.